In a sunlit living room, a curious kitten tilts his head and studies a bouncy puppy with wide-eyed wonder. The puppy wags, inches closer, and their first nose touch sparks a chorus of surprised purrs and happy wiggles. They chase a feathered toy across the rug, then pause to share the same nap spot, trading soft purrs for sleepy sighs. A gentle game of tag ends in a clumsy tumble, and both bounce up smiling with trust blooming between them. Viewers witness a new kind of friendship where shy whiskers and wagging tails beat in perfect rhythm.